Okay, guys, I got some pretty bad. I got something bad going on with my dog here, Sophie. Something's not right. She's been scratching and oh my god, look over here. Can I don't think you guys can see that, but oh yeah, there we go. That looks bad. Sophie's been scratching her ear because of fleas on this house. Oh, please, I hope we got them exterminated this time. Man, that's bad.
Nathan, I've heard in a couple days it will heal.
Let's hope so. Let me just show you guys one more time.
If you want to help that get better faster, then take care
Sophie, hold still, girl.
Now, Lizzie, I'm going to choose a different character.
We're worrying about Sophie right now.
Let me just.
We don't have time to worry about you.
Look at that.
More important.
That's so bad. Sophie, come here. Come here.
Let's go.
Come on, hold still. Hold still. Come on, step into the light, Sophie. Come on. You gotta show the viewers.
Here.
Oh my fucking Christ.
Guys, I'll hold on to her.
No, we gotta take her to the light. Take her to the light so the viewers can see it. Right now, this is getting crazy. Alright. No. Aha, there it is. Sophie, hold still. Hold it. Hold still. And now she's biting her tail. Hopefully that gives us some time. Look at that. My god.
There is blood right there. There's blood.
Hold Sophie, I'm just trying to.
Stop spraying.
You know what? Alright, you see that? That is bad news. So, yeah, we're gonna hope we're hoping that's fixed and she won't scratch anymore. My god. Sophie needs. My dog is crazy. That's gonna be the title. God damn it.